But students, I'm going to explain the disadvantages of series circuit, series combination. The first disadvantage is that in the case of series circuit, we find that there is, as soon as any fault, any defect comes in any part of the electrical appliance, all other appliances stop working because the whole circuit is broken. Yeah, this is the first disadvantage. Second disadvantage is that there is no separate switch to switch on and switch off, because one single switch is there for all the electrical appliances when they are in the series combination or series circuit. Okay, so if once you switch on, all the electrical appliances will start working. If you switch off, it will stop all the electrical appliances at the same time. So this is the second advantage. Third disadvantage is that in the series circuit, all the electrical appliances do not get the same voltage. 220 volt is distributed in all the electrical appliances which are connected in series combination, and that's why their power decreases. They cannot perform so efficiently, so diligently, and there will be less power in all the electrical appliances. So this is the third disadvantage. And the fourth disadvantage is that in the series combination or in the series circuit, the net resistance increases, and this increase in the resistance in all the electrical appliances in series combination make the flow of current slow, make the flow of current decreased, and which impacts the electrical appliances efficiency. Thank you. For like, please share and subscribe.